Hi everyone, Cherie here. The brand new Katherine kit from Felicity Jane has just arrived on my doorstep, so I thought I would open it up with you and share with you what is inside. And this kit is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited about it. Alright, so we have this super cute little card inside that is just screaming out to be made into a card for someone. Absolutely love that. And let's take a look. Okay. Alright, so we've got so many beautiful things. I absolutely am loving the colours in the kit this month. So I'll get everything out and give you a closer look. Okay, so let's start off with the things that I don't need to take out of the pack. So as always, we have our gorgeous stamp set for this kit. This is the Katherine stamp set. So as you can see, we have all the days of the week here in this larger font, as well as this smaller font, which is really handy. We have this phrase here, week in review, with an arrow. There's also the words currently, loving, watching, reading. We have this beautiful floral stamp down the bottom here. That's going to be fun to play with. We have this banner stamp down the bottom that says, I want to remember this. Absolutely love that. And then we have this circle stamp and this rectangular stamp as well, which is going to be absolutely perfect for stamping these things into. So that's going to be lots of fun to use. We also have the absolutely gorgeous puffy stickers. Look at these. Oh my gosh. It's going to be hard not to just hoard these, but I'm going to have to force myself to use them because they are so pretty. We have this bow, this cute little, I think it's a little apple. We've got the word today, this beautiful rainbow. That is my absolute favourite. We've got the ampersand here, a little yellow polka dot heart. This cute little floral, the word dream. This one here says good times. This little row of coloured hearts, so sweet. We've got this little puffy tag, a happy day circular element there, and we've got the love this at the bottom, and this super cute pie chart. I can't wait to play with that. So they are the Katherine Puffy stickers. Next up we have the Katherine Puffy alphabet stickers. So as you can see, they're all the colours of this kit. Absolutely gorgeous. We also have the numbers on the back, plenty of numbers and letters to choose from in this set. There's also these bits down the bottom as well, the hashtag, a couple of exclamation marks, a couple of dots. So they are the alphabet stickers. Super cute. Alright, next up we have the Essentials label stickers number 1. These are sheets of sticky labels. Absolutely love these, and these are going to get used on so many different projects. So you can see there, each sheet has the same layout of labels there in all those gorgeous colours. They're going to coordinate with so many Felicity Jane kits, and I love that it has all the colours on the bottom of those sheets there, so you can just choose whichever colour you want. That's super cute. So they are the Essentials label stickers. I've just zoomed in a little bit so you can see these vellum frames. This is a 6-pack of frames. They all have that beautiful translucent vellum look to them. We have this gorgeous floral one here. Then there's the grid. We have this super cute print. Absolutely love this one. It's so sweet. There's also the multicoloured stripe frame there. There's a polka dot. We always love a polka dot with Felicity Jane. And my favourite one, the rainbow frame. That is gorgeous. I can't wait to use these. So you could overlap these on a layout, use them on their own. They'll be perfect in traveller's notebook spreads as well. So these are going to be really fun to create with. So they are the vellum frames. Okay, I've zoomed in a little bit so you can get a closer look at these ones. These are the Katherine die cut shapes. There are 32 pieces in this pack and so many beautiful things to choose from here. So we've got the numbers 1 through to 5 over here. We've got 4 florals, so cute. These are just so pretty. Absolutely love these florals. We've got some hearts in different colours. These little star die cuts as well. A couple of little banner pieces here, or little flags. We've got this notes circular piece, love that. 3 tags, we've got 3 labels as well up here. This one here is super cute, it says chapter number 6. I'm going to get that one to focus. There we go. Chapter number 6, that's really sweet. We also have the words my story, about me, currently, and a little life update. We've got Katherine herself, and as you can see, so many pretty things to play with. So they are the die cut shapes. Okay, so next up we're going to take a look at the journaling cards. We also have a pack of library cards in the kit this month as well. So first up we'll look at the journaling cards. So we have this adorable card that says happy, so you can add words or embellishments to this one, and I love that it's in the rainbow colours. We also have this yellow striped card. As always, we have a grid or dot grid on the back of these ones. We've got this alphabet card here in all the colours, love that. This one says this is me in that pretty minty colour. We've got the rainbow stripe, those bold stripes there. We've got this pretty red with a polka dot. We've got this pink one here that's got like little stars. You can see that there, really sweet little pattern. We've got the beautiful floral card here, loving that one. We've got a red gingham, that is super cute. We've got this card here that says my current faves with the little star dots down that side there for you to fill in. We've also got this one here with that super sweet print. I absolutely love that pattern. And then we've got this one here with this grid. That's really fun as well in all the colours. So they are the journaling cards. As always, there are 12 cards in this pack. So let's take a look at the library cards. There are 6 cards in this pack. Each of them have author, title, date and borrower's name at the top there. On the back it just has the date and borrower's name at the top. So we've got all the pretty colours in here. Those 2 shades of pink there. We've got this white one with the pretty floral in the bottom corner. It is plain on the back. We've got this darker colour here, the yellow and that mint. So they are super handy to add embellishments to. You could add journaling to them. I've used printed journaling on vellum to adhere over the top of these in the past as well, which looks great. So they are the library cards. Okay, we're now going to have a look at the Katherine paper pack. As always, we have this piece in the front of the pack. I always use this on projects, so don't throw it away. You have all of the patterns in a reduced form there to use, so that's super handy to have. You can also use these scallop pieces down the bottom on projects as well. Great for cards, traveller's notebook spreads, or even layouts, so always keep that and use it wherever you can. As always, this year we have the month card. So this is the June card with lines on the back as well. That's 3 by 8 in size. So you can use these on layouts. Perfect to go into your pocket page albums as well. And let's take a look at the gorgeous patterns. So here we have the beautiful floral. This is called Flowers. And on the back we have little stars. I'll just bring that up closer for you. Get that to focus so you can see those little stars there. And the branding strip for this one, we have that red gingham. Next up we have the diagonal stripe here on the red. So this one's called Stripes. On the back we have black and white scallops. That's super cute. And the branding strip on this one has yellow stars. Here we have one of my favourite patterns in this kit. Oh, it's actually called Berry. Super cute, super sweet, love that. On the back we have dots, so it's that minty green colour with the polka dot on there, and down that branding strip we have the multicoloured hearts. That's super cute. Next up we have these multicoloured stripes. It is actually called Stripes, and on the back we have sparkles. This one's called Sparkles, so it's a different, I'll just show you the difference in these stars on the other one, and they are slightly bigger. You can see that there. And on this branding strip we have a diagonal blue stripe. Okay, next up we have this soft pink one that's called Floral. So if I can get that closer so you can see there is a floral pattern. It's a little bit hard to see on camera. Just get that to focus. Yeah, it's really pretty, just hard to see on camera. On the back of that one we have these spots I love that this is like a random pattern of spots. And then we have this really cute floral print down the branding strip. Next one is called Hearts in this beautiful yellow. On the reverse here we have multicolored stars, so that's really cute. And then we have black and white stripes down the branding strip. As always, we have the 2 solid colour papers in the pack. So on this side we have that beautiful red colour, always with the scalloped branding strip on these. On the reverse is this gorgeous pinky colour. Then we have the yellow, and on the reverse we have that minty green. Absolutely loving these papers, and I cannot wait to start creating with these. So they are the pattern papers. Okay, just a couple of the add-ons that I wanted to share with you as well. These are not included in the kit, but you can buy these separately, as well as all of these things from the kit are available separately as well. So just keep that in mind. If you didn't want the entire kit, it was just a couple of things you liked, you can just get them individually in the shop. So this is the Traveller's Notebook insert and the A5 notebook. So both of them have the gorgeous striped cover and completely blank on the inside with the square corners as well. The paper inside these notebooks and inserts are absolutely beautiful quality and so lovely to use. So they are both available in store if you're after some new ones of those. I also wanted to show you the typewriter alphabet stamp set. This was new last month, but I've just received it now and it is still available. So that's going to be lots of fun to use. I love the typewriter font. That's going to be one of my new favourites. So they are the new Katherine Kit goodies. I hope you've enjoyed having a little closer look at what's included in this kit. Head over to the Felicity Jane store. I will leave a link down below for you if you want to grab some of these for yourself. And I'll see you again soon with some projects made with this kit. Bye for now.